Good morning, class 6 children. So, till yesterday, we had completed chapter number 12. And today we'll discuss the back exercise of this chapter. So, I hope each one of you have opened the books. Switch on your cameras, children. And let's start with the back exercise. Filling the blanks first is a device that is used to break an electric circuit is called switch.
Switch.
Okay. Write down each one of you. Number 2. An electric cell has dash terminals.
There are two terminals.
Two terminals are there. Okay, good. Next is, and you have to mark true or false. An electric circuit current can flow through metals. Is it true?
And true.
True.
And true.
Instead of metal wires, a jute string can be used to make a circuit. Will the current flow?
False.
Ma'am, false.
An electric
False.
current can pass through a sheet of thermocol.
False.
Yes.
False.
Again, it is false
Ma'am,
because the current together don't speak, children. Next is explain why bulb does not glow in arrangement shown in 13.3. Kindly raise your hand. Why the bulb is not glowing? Kindly raise your hand. Yes, Aryan Gautam, tell.
The bulb would not glow in the arrangement because circuit is not complete due to prevents in the current.
Yes. The circuit will bulb will not glow because the circuit is not complete. Yes, tell Vaibhav.
The bulb would not glow in the arrangement shown in the figure because the one end of tester screwdriver is made up of plastic which does not allow the electric current to flow through it.
Yes, because see children, the other end of a screwdriver is plastic, and you know plastic is a poor conductor. The current does not flow through it. So kindly see to it. Okay, let's move to the next question. So the current is not flowing because this end is connected with the plastic end. Next, number 4, complete the drawing as shown in 12.14 to indicate where the free ends of two wires should be joined to make the bulb glow. Yes, Arnav Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. One end of the wire should be attached to the negative terminal of the cell and other end should attach to the bulb. The circuit will complete and the bulb starting glowing.
Okay, good. So where the two ends should be, this end should be attached. So one end should be the switch, other end. So one the other end to the cell and one wire should be attached to the bulb. ये देखो यहाँ पे connections नहीं है. यहाँ पे एक जो आपका bulb के साथ attach हो जाएगा and second with the cell, only then the switch will glow. Bulb will glow, sorry. Number 5. What is the purpose of using an electric switch?
Mechanical?
No, other one. Yes. Other than Arnav or other than Akshay, who will give the answer? Yes, Arav Kulial. Unmute and give the answer. Arav Kulial. Khushi. Vedic. Question number 5. Give answer for 5. Yes, Vedic.
Because the green wire is not connected to the bulb and red wire is not connected to the positive terminal of the electric cell. That's why the current do not pass through the red wire.
Beta, I am
No, bulb.
asking for question number 5. Question number 5. What is the purpose of using an electric switch? Name
Ma'am,
some
electric
Yes.
switch is used to off and on the bulb or light.
Yes.
The gadgets in which electric switch is used are electric toys and remote control car,
Yes.
etc., etc.
Okay. Then number 6. Would the bulb glow after completing the circuit shown in figure? Instead of safety pin, if we use a eraser. If we are instead of a safety pin, we are using eraser, then what will happen? Yes, Arnav Agarwal. अगर बेटा क्वेश्चन है here in this figure 12.14, if we are using eraser instead of safety pin, तो क्या वो बल्ब ग्लो करेगा?
No, ma'am.
Yes, tell the
Ma'am,
reason.
the bulb is not and the current will not flow through it.
Yes, the current will not flow through
since
it.
Can I tell the answer?
Beta, one by one you have to speak.
ये हमारा फोन है और ये हमारी क्लास हो रही है.
Okay. Done, children? So through eraser, the current will not flow because eraser is a poor conductor of electricity. That's why. Okay. Next, tell me. Would the bulb glow in the circuit shown in 12.15? See 12.15 figure. Will the current flow? Children, switch on your cameras. Switch on your cameras, each one. Kindly see this figure 7 clearly. Kindly tell me whether the current will flow or not. Yes, Vedic. Ishita, Dravya Jain, give the answers.
Yes, the bulb glow because all the wires are connected.
Yes, and the circuit is complete. All the wires are connected and circuit is complete. Okay. Next, number 8. Using the conduction tester on an object, it was found that bulb begins to glow. Is that object a conductor or insulator? If the bulb is glowing, then what will happen? If the bulb is glowing, then it will be a conductor. It means the current is flowing through it. Yes. The object is conductor because the current will flow through it. Okay. Number 9. Why should an electrician use rubber gloves while repairing an electric switch at your home? You must have seen whenever the electrician comes, he wears the safety gloves. Yes, Aditya Purohit.
Ma'am, because the rubber don't allow electricity to pass.
Yes, because rubber, yes, very good. Because rubber gloves are poor conductor of electricity. They do not allow the electric current to pass through them. That's why the electricians wear the electric gloves, plastic gloves to save himself from the electric shock. Number 10. The handles of tools like screwdrivers and pilers used by the electricians for repair work usually have plastic or rubber cover. on them. Can you explain why it is so?
Ma'am, can I explain?
Okay, yes, tell.
The handle of the tool, like screwdriver, pillar, used by electrician for repair work, usually have a plastic or rubber cover because plastic gloves is an insulator and does not allow electric current to pass it.
Okay, very
It
good.
prevents electrician from electric shock.
Okay, very good. Yes, Parnika, give the same answer.
Now can I tell Vaibhav?
Yes,
Screwdriver is plastic or rubber because they don't allow to pass the light or current from them.
okay, good. Okay, tell now, Vaibhav, you can also tell.
Okay. Now the answer is plastic or rubber is an insulator which does not allow electric current to pass through it. The handles of the tools like screwdrivers and pliers used by electricians for repair have covering of plastic or rubber so that electric current may not pass through these tools to the body of the electrician to harm him.
Okay, beta. So these are the questions 10. So children, these are the questions of your chapter number 12. I need to complete this work in the notebook. So today we have discussed the back exercise and kindly draw the electric circuit, okay, and internal structure of torch. Now I want each one of you to take out your notebook. I want to see that whether you have done the work or not. Kindly open the notebooks.